Being a pioneer in automation, Jendamark brings you ODIN Future Factory, a visionary solution for the manufacturing and production business that brings your dream manufacturing setup into existence and makes you future ready. Smart applications of ODIN Future Factory lead our customers to efficient manufacturing with the emerging technologies. ODIN Future Factory accelerates the design approval process by providing smart applications for fast virtual prototyping, analyzing machines before they get manufactured, and operator performance tracking and monitoring. ODIN Future Factory focuses on three areas: virtual reality, augmented reality, and ODIN Future Development. ODIN Future Factory covers the length and breadth of simulation-based technology by incorporating virtual reality into the manufacturing process. Virtual reality equips our customers with hassle-free training sessions, step-by-step visual guidance, machine ergonomics, safety, and dimension-related issues. Jendamark tamed the concept of augmented reality for smart production and design approval process. Our customers can view the machine design with its actual dimensions practically from anywhere by just accessing the AR link on their available devices. We use AR for production by facilitating operators with smart glasses. Operators receive command via AR on their glasses, even when the screen is not accessible. ODIN Future Development uses latest technologies aimed at radically changing the production process and making it future-proof. App Store provides a common platform for all the apps functioning on assembly lines. It also provides the predictive analysis of the most important asset of any industry: its people. ODIN Operator Performance application helps monitor the health of each operator, thus providing preventive and predictive analysis. Every process in industry generates the data that is further converted into reports. ODIN Integrated Database System is an advanced on-premises web application that integrates multiple databases seamlessly to generate unified production report. ODIN Future Factory, the crystal ball for businesses that allows them to have a look into the future and take educated, rational, and effective decisions.